Hello, my name is Tom. Welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. And today I would like to show you, and I'm going to review this Rode SmartLav Plus microphone that I just bought. And I'm also going to do a sound comparison of this microphone to the built-in iPhone 8 microphone for you to hear the difference and hopefully help you decide if you would like to buy it. Now, I have put a Amazon link down in the description below if you would like to check it out, and let's jump straight to the video. Now I have decided to record this video because I myself wanted to hear some comparison of this microphone to the iPhone, or some sound test at least, before I bought it. So hopefully it's gonna help someone. One more thing, I'm recording this wall audio on my Blue Yeti USB microphone. You can check it out on Amazon in the description down below also. And when I unbox it in the sound comparison, I'm just going to cut in the sound of this microphone and then the microphone in the iPhone 8, which I'm recording on. Inside the box, I just open it. You can find the quick start guide, the manual for the microphone, then this nice leather pouch if you want to store it away, the microphone itself, the windshield pop filter, very tiny one, and then this attachment clip to the clothing. To install the microphone on the clip, it's very simple. You have this hole right here, so you press on this, so it makes the hole bigger. Just put the microphone through and let it go, just like that. It's very simple. Then you attach the windshield, the pop filter, on the microphone, like that. Then you can just adjust the clip. There we go. So now we have the microphone in place, and what we would like to do is to also attach the cable to this little clip so you minimize any possible noise from the cable moving around. Alright, so this is how it looks attached, and now let's attach it to my tie, and there we go. I have the microphone. Now all you have to do is to just put this inside your phone. If you have an iPhone 7 and higher, you also need this Apple lighting to 3.5mm jack thing. I've also put that down in the description below if you want to check it out on Amazon. So you just can, connect it to your iPhone 8 straight away. For this video, I'm going to connect the microphone to my iPhone 6s I have right here because I'm recording the whole video on the iPhone 8, so I can just cut in the sound. But all you have to do is to use this thing, and it works just like with any other phone. Alright, so this is the sound comparison between the Rode SmartLav Plus microphone and the built-in iPhone 8 microphone right here. So hopefully it gives you an impression in the difference between these two microphones. Alright, so I have also turned on a fan I have on my right side to create a sort of background wind noise, so you can hear the comparison when there's some kind of background wind noise. Again, the Rode SmartLav Plus and the iPhone 8 built-in microphone. So I hope this gives you a nice impression and nice comparison, and yeah. Alright, so the biggest difference is when you stand further away from the camera. Now I'm using the Voice Memos app on the iPhone to record straight from the Rode SmartLav Plus attached to my tie, and you can hear the difference is huge when you're in hallways or generally further away from the camera. So this is all just to demonstrate the difference between your built-in microphone and a clip-on microphone like this one. Alright, this is all. Thank you very much for watching. I put Amazon links down in the description below for all the stuff I mentioned in this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give me thumbs up. And if you would like more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next one.